Do you have a brilliant idea and are stuck? Don't know how to start it? And this is because of limited funding. You don't know how you can fund this idea to bring it to life. Today's video, I'm going to give you 7 treasure troves that we all love, and people love to call it free money, but it's not free because it's allocated to help you and to help the next person bring their ideas to life. You are going to love this video. So if you are feeling stuck, have an idea, maybe you want to start a YouTube channel, don't have the money to start your YouTube channel, or you just have a bill that you don't know how you're going to pay for this bill and you are feeling completely stuck, you want to watch this video all the way to the end, because I guarantee you by the time we get to the end of this video, you will be thanking me. This video, we are talking grants, we are talking financial boosts that could be just a few clicks away. So whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking for a little bit of extra help, there is something for everybody. So stick around until the end of this video to get these treasure troves that will be so helpful to your financial life and that could help you move from one area that you're feeling stuck to the next and just open all kinds of doors of opportunities for you. So the first website is National Council of State Housing Agencies, and this website assists with home ownership funds. Like if you're late on your mortgage, don't have enough money to pay for your rent, this website will come to your aid, and they have helped thousands of people catch up with their rent and also save their homes from foreclosure. And this is a state-funded organization that is available in most of the states across the United States. So if you reside within the United States, you want to check this website out. These are websites that are out there to help people during difficult times, and you can take advantage of this because some of this money is actually taxpayers' money that goes to help people who are in difficult situations. So you want to check this website out and see if it's something that could work for you. Now, if you are not within the United States, do not feel left out, because I have a number of websites coming up that are going to be so helpful to you. So please stick around. Now, the next website, guys, is one of my favorite, and this is modestneeds.org. And this is where they give you what they call self-sufficiency grants. So let's say you have a job and that job is not meeting all your needs, or it's not catering to all your needs, or rather your bills. Then at modestneeds.org, you can come here and request for a supplemental help, and they will be able to assist you. So if you're working and your paycheck is not meeting your needs, modestneeds.org will come in and help with that additional amount that you might be in need of, to help you get over the hurdle or to help you, get on to the next month. Now, you can tell what your difficulty is. Maybe you have kids, maybe you're a single parent, maybe the job that you're currently working, the hours are not enough and you're not able to add more hours to it. Just tell your story, be self-explanatory, and modestneeds.org will reach out to you and see how they can help. But they have helped thousands of families meet their bills and be able to get to the next step with ease. So you want to come and check modestneeds.org and put in that application. Now, if you're also a donor who is willing to help, they also have a slot where you can put in your monthly contribution to help families in need. So you can get the help as well as give help so that other people can be able to benefit as well. Now, if you have a crazy idea that you've been sitting on and are wondering how you can be able to make this idea come to life, let's say you're looking to travel, something on your bucket list, maybe go climb Mount Everest, or maybe go climb the Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, or maybe just go for a bungee jump in the Grand Canyon. Any crazy idea that you may have but don't know how you're going to execute this idea. This is why I love the next organization, and they are just known for that. They are absolutely awesome. The Awesome Foundation will make that dream come true. So if you have been sitting on a crazy idea, which 9 times out of 10, if you tell your family members, they will brush it off or laugh at you, come to the Awesome Foundation and they will make your dreams come true. You can come and tell your story here. Just write a small description of what it is that you want to do, and they will look into your idea and see if it's an idea that's worth giving money towards, and eventually give you the grant that you need to make this happen. Now, if you look here, they've given over $6,811 US on grants, and 6,811 projects have been funded. So you could be one of those projects, okay? You could bring your idea here to the Awesome Foundation and they would be able to fund that idea. Now, as you can see, they're not limited to just one country. They are all over the world, as you can see on that map there, the world map. So they are in most of the countries in the world. So come check them out and tell your idea to them, and you never know, you might just be the next person who lands that grant with the Awesome Foundation to make your dream come true. Now, the next website, I'm a personal beneficiary of this website, and I will tell you how in just a bit. But missingmoney.com is where all the monies that have not been claimed are reported. So let's say you worked for a company and did not collect your last paycheck, or you overpaid on a utility bill and never got the refund. This is where that extra money is reported to. Or you could also have had a bank account that you closed and had some money in it and never withdrew that money and completely forgot about it. Then this is where that bank comes to report this monies to. Or it could be a tuition overpayment. It could be anything. As long as that money was owed to you, it will be reported to missingmoney.com. Now, I know with different states, they have different websites, and this again applies to the United States government. So this is why I'm quoting the states. The other two foundations, those are global, and there is more coming that are global, so stick around. But with missingmoney.com, guys, you can come here and put in your name. And if you do have some money out there, what it usually tells you is that if the money is below $100, it will tell you. And if it's above $100, it will tell you. And then you can proceed with the application, where you put in your application, put in your details. And there's a procedure where you have to take it to the notary to get it notarized. And that's easy to do. You can just go to any bank or your local bank, and they will notarize it. And then you mail it to the Chamber of Commerce. Now, I don't know if you have to physically mail it or you can send it electronically. When I did it, I physically mailed it, and that was several years ago. So things have changed. You might have to do this electronically, but it has to be notarized. And then once you submit it, they will process your claim. There is a fee for processing the claim. I had over 1,200 and some change on my missing money account, and what I got back in the mail was $1,275 after $12 of processing fee was deducted. So this money can be out there for you. It doesn't have to be the same amount. Everybody is different, so I don't know how much money is out there for you that's missing, but you never know. You could have anywhere from $100 to, like I say, thousands of US dollars on missingmoney.com. So check it out. Our fifth website, guys, is one that I love to read the stories about how people have come together and helped towards one cause. Fundly.com is a platform that allows you to explain yourself and then get the funding through crowdfunding. It's more like GoFundMe. And with Fundly, they come together because it's supported also by Facebook. It gives you a wide platform and a wide range of people that can be able to support you. You can do this for your favorite charity, or you can do it just for an individual. For instance, Jen Washburn was celebrating raising $78,840, and she is from Emeryville, California. And this is for memorials and funerals. And someone in Brisbane, Australia, has received $43,123 for disaster relief. It's always good to be authentic. It's always good to be truthful, because people who give towards these causes give to help. And so you do not want to come here with a fabricated story to be able to solicit money from people, because first of all, it's just not ethically right. Now, the next website, which is the sixth, is a website that I love, because people come here and just do very noble things for other people. You can provide direct support to an individual, family, or community by paying medical expenses or offering financial aid to them. You can also raise funds in response to a natural disaster or humanitarian crisis and make a difference in minutes. You can also choose from hundreds of official events, including marathons, bike rides, triathlons, or bake-offs, or you can mark a special event like a birthday, wedding, or final exam by asking friends for donations rather than gifts. So here at Just Giving, you can raise funds for just about anything. Just Giving would be a platform that I would highly recommend for you to check out, sign up, and see what campaign would work or fit you to raise some funds that could be able to help you or help another person in your family, because this is a platform that is open to people creating all kinds of campaigns that are geared towards helping one another. So please check it out and see if it's something that would be of help to you. I mean, you can raise funds for animals and pets, for art and culture, education, international aid, just about anything. As long as it's within, ethical guidelines, then this is something you can definitely do. And finally, guys, the last platform I have for you guys, which is amazing and that supports moms from all over the world, is called the Pure Leaf Grant, and this is sponsored by the Coca-Cola Foundation, and it's geared towards helping mothers who are most of the times overwhelmed and just bombarded by so much in the society, from caring for families to kids to all great things that mothers do out there for us. And this is why they started the No Grants, to give women a little extra financial support to help them say no to unrealistic expectations. And so they've partnered with Seek Her Foundation, an organization working to dismantle societal expectations that are negatively impacted towards women. So they created the No Grant to fund providing short-term support to women who want to say no more in the workplace. So if you fall in this category, then you can check this grant out. It's called the Pure Leaf Grant, and they give up to $2,000 per month. So we have come to the end of this video, my incredible vines. If you have found any valuable information that could help you or help somebody else that you know in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, because it does help it to push out it to more people out there. And also I do appreciate, because it supports my channel and it helps the channel to grow. So until the next video, kwaheri.